Hello Gemini, this is your monthly love reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If you have in your chart in Gemini, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go both ways and take it however it resonates. Okay. If you like this reading, please share, like, subscribe to my channel King of Cups Tarot, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. The email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. The Star, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Sun, Two of Wands, Four of Wands, the Lovers, your card, okay, Page of Swords, Ten of Cups, and last card is Six of Wands. Very good. Five of Cups is bottom of the deck. So first of all, I will tell you about the signs are here are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Every sign is available here. So any kind of person you have been dealing with is here. Okay. So specifically, if you'll see Gemini, okay, and Leo, Aquarius. Gemini, Leo, Aquarius are the more specific sign. However, every sign is present here. Okay. So let's start with the bottom of the deck. The overall energy is Five of Cups. So you have been very disappointed with this relationship. Okay. This shows the disappointment, and whatever you did in this relationship is not enough. It looks like that this relationship is always keeping you in a downside, right? So you are actually now disappointed and dissatisfied in this relationship, but you felt the connection. Okay, you felt this connection before. That is Two of Cups. You felt this connection as a soulmate connection. You felt this like a true love and mutual love connection, but still you are having that void in you. Okay. And here we have Six of Cups as well. So this person we are talking about is the past person, or the person who you were dealing with before, and right now there is no contact right now, and you are having just a glimpse of the past remains. Okay. So these are the things, and just below is the Six of Swords. So right now you are moving on from that relationship and you are going to the new relationship. Okay. So earlier your past was not good, and you were not feeling good about it, and let's see now the cards how it will turn out to be in August. So the first card is the Star. This star is representing Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with this Aquarius right now, or you will be dealing with Aquarius in the month of August. Sorry. So I can see that you are very hopeful in your love life now, because you have been through this very worst phase of your life, and you believe that something better will happen to you. Okay. Somebody that deserve you will come towards you. Okay. because the worst is already over. So now everything will be very fortunate to you, and it will be victorious towards you. Okay, so somebody will come to you, and some new person will come to you. I am not saying about the past now, because past is already over and now you are looking for the new love. This reading is for new love people only. Okay, and I don't see any past energy here. So there is a regret from the past, but not in the reading we have that past person. So if you are looking for a past person, this is not the reading for you. Okay, so page of pentacles. So this person was actually looking for you from long back. Maybe you have that um, I can see that you have that somebody known. This means that person is known to you before, and you know them, and he or she know them, know you, and like that. It never actually they never actually expressed to you. I should put it like that. Okay, they have never expressed it to you, and right now they want to start something. Okay, because they have seen you a very beautiful person, and they can be with. Okay, they were feeling that connection, but you were with somebody else, and then they thought that you will not be interested in them, so they backed off that time. But now they want to offer you something which can be a huge potential for stability, because this is a page, then it is a fresh new start and a good news as well. But it is just page. Okay, but it will turn out to be a very serious relationship as well. Okay, so this person is serious, and we'll see how much serious they will be. So I can see that this person was rushing towards you when they came to know that you are single now. Okay, so this person was wanted to have you have the breakup, and then they will approach to you. So because they see you as a very beautiful person, and they see you as a very gentle and kind person. So this person never wanted to lose you, and they never wanted to um, this means miss this situation. Okay, so they are rushing towards you. Okay, so that nobody else you will means you should not be consider somebody else over them. So they don't want that to happen. Okay, so they want to rush into you, and they will try to tell you that they are interested in you, and so on. Okay, so they want to start a new relationship with you. Okay, so they I think in August you will get lots of offer. Okay, lots of offer, including this person's offer. Okay, so here you have the sun. Okay, so you will be very happy. You will be very happy because this person offered you that love, offered you that happiness, that relationship that you always dreamt of. And you in deep down in your mind, your heart, you knew that you deserve some kind of person who is um, very gentle, who makes you happy, and who take care of you, nurturing, and everything should be there. And this person looks like that person. Okay, that you dreamt of. Okay, so the sun is the happiest card on this tarot deck, and that is coming in your reading. That means August will be very happier to you. And let's see now next what it is. Two of Wands. So right now, you're in dilemma. Actually, you are in the crossroad, and you want to take the decision now, and actually it is the decision time. Okay, so whenever this person will offer you, you will come to the this dilemma. Okay, dilemma to choose that which way to go, and this actually leads you to the success. Basically, wherever you will go, actually you know where to go. Okay, I will say that, let's put it like that, because you have already chosen your path. You have not taken the step forward, but right now I am thinking like you are just about to take the steps, and your relationship is, you have already decided where it should be going, and just you are wanted to take those steps because it leads to the stability and all. So you want to confirm that you are going with the right person only. Okay, so whatever you want to confirm, it will be confirmed by the universe, because four of wands is here. Four of wands is a card of celebration, card of stability, long term commitment, marriage. These kind of situations are coming with the four of wands. So if you choose that way, it will leads to four of wands. Four of wands is a success card as well as it is a card of stability and long term marriage, commitment, and this kind of thing. Okay, so this person who is coming towards you is going to offer you this kind of relationship, that is a marriage proposal for most of you, and actually they have the vision to marry you only. Maybe they will start with a regular kind of relationship, but they are very serious about this relationship to settle down with you. Okay, so they want four of wands, not like any other kind of like just for hookup or all those things. They will not offer you relation. They will offer you for only to get settled. Okay, so deep down you also know that this person will be the person of your lifetime. Okay, and one more thing is, I can see here, because it is a Gemini card, so you might be dealing with the Gemini, as you are also Gemini, your fellow Gemini. Okay, so I can see that the relationship between you two is very deep, soul level connection. Okay, very deep and soul level connection. It is the very strong bond, which is actually cannot be separated. Okay, it's like that. So whenever you two will meet, you will know that this person is my person. Okay, so you have to make a choice in this August, so to start this relationship. Okay, so you know that what to do, basically. So you have to make a choice, and choice is, you whatever choice you will take, it will lead to the success, because the other cards I am seeing is very very beautiful. So page of swords is here. Before taking any choice or decision, you will want to you will want to confirm that this person is right person, because you don't want to be in a relationship like in your previous relationship you were very shattered by that person, because they were not showing any emotions to you and these kind of things. So now you want to be sure that this person is emotionally available, as well as they are very serious about the relationship for future. Okay, so you want to know this information before you commit to them, because here we have that page of swords. Page of swords is a card of spying on each other, keep an eye on each other without knowing them. So here you will get to know the information through other ways like social media, Instagram and all these kind of things. You just wanted to know what they are up to in this relationship, so you will find it out that this relationship is very will turn out to be very beautiful, because here we have 10 of cups. So this person have dreams to be with you, and their dreams like they want to get settled with you, happy family, happy relationship they want to build with you only, everything they want to build with you only. So they see you as, they project you as your their life partner, and in future they see this relationship as a very loving relationship. So 10 of cups is a um, completely happy marriage life. Okay, it's like that. So in August you are getting victorious, because here we have the six of wands. So you will get that attention that you seek in your last previous relationship. This person will give you attention as well as, and you will also give them attention, and this will lead to the victory in this relationship, and this will be a successful relationship. As far as August is saying, that this relationship will be very attentive and very beautiful relationship between you two. This will build you a very good relationship, and it will leads to the marriage for most of you. I can see that. Okay, let's start. Let's see your outcome for this reading. Oh my god, the Empress and the Chariot is the bottom of the deck. So Chariot is here, that means um, again victory card. Okay, again a victory card, and balancing out the situation, determination. You both are determined to be in with this person, and you also wanted to be with this person, and they also wanted to be with you, and they want to see you as their perfect life partner, and they see you as a perfect life partner for them. So the Empress is here, so they want to expand this relationship on wherever whichever step you are in right now. They want to get more step here, and they want to marry you basically, because the Empress is the married woman. Okay, so they want to marry you, they want to they want to expand the family as well, as far as they have more and more goals towards this relationship, and they actually want to marry you. I would just want to say that. Okay, so then we'll pull out Queens of Moon Oracle, one card for you. Hunger. Okay, resistance. So I can see that some resistance is there from your side, and but I can see that you can grow in this resistance as well. Okay, this relationship will grow anyway, and it will find it out any other way. Okay, if even if you try to avoid this relationship, anyway it will going to happen by hook or by crook. Any way it will happen. Okay, because you are also hungry. Okay, hungry means not like that kind of hunger, but I can see that you are very you want that kind of relationship. Actually your soul want this kind of relationship that this person is going to offer you. Okay, so this is that kind of hunger, and universe know that, so they want to provide you this kind of relationship only. So anyway, this is this relationship coming. Okay, so the way it should come, it will come. It can be different for you, but it is coming, I can see, for everyone, and you will be very victorious in this relationship. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Gemini. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want a personal reading with me, you can book by contacting me through email, as given in the description box. And thank you for watching.